Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello, my name is Monica Janae. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and turn your notification bell on. If you're returning, welcome back. So anyway, in this episode, I'm sorry, I haven't been on YouTube in a while because, you know, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks is a long time. It's almost like a year off in YouTube world, okay? But anyway, I got some vlogs coming up, but you know what I'm saying, I had to get back to, you know, sitting in my little chair in front of my camera, talking to you guys. So anyway, in this episode, I want to do a video about, you know, doing my makeup in the dark. And it's not necessarily like the dark, like the pitch dark, but, you know, like dark where, you know, maybe I'm applying a little too much makeup, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying, I'm missing spots. Because a lot of times, like, just depending on where you live at, or, you know, just the type of person you might be, you know, you apply makeup in the dark. Like I said, I don't mean to pitch black, like pitch dark, but I mean like where you just can't really see what you're doing. So, you know, I want to do a video about that and also give you a few tips on how to fix your lighting and how, you know, you can do it, you know, very affordably. You know what I'm saying? Not spending a lot of money on lights just to apply makeup. You can just use things, you know, resources around your home, you know what I'm saying? Or spend a few dollars just to, you know, light up your space so that you can apply your makeup. So anyway, I mean, like, what prompted me to do this is because, like, I had a friend that, you know, she, will always apply her makeup and not the best lighting. And so when she went outside, you can see that she might have applied just a little too much makeup because she didn't have the proper lighting. You know what I'm saying? She could have the proper lighting. She could have had the proper lighting, but she just didn't use her resources that she had around her. So a lot of times when she walked outside, her makeup was, you know, just a little heavy, on the heavy side, because she wasn't able to see. You could tell that she was applying makeup in a dark space. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I have some lights in front of me now, but I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. And I may turn one of the lights that I have, they have yellow lights on them. And yellow lights are not good to apply makeup with. But I'm going to maybe turn those on so that you can see the difference. I'm just gonna kind of see how it works first. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my lights off and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lights are off now, and this is what I mean by a dark room. Okay, this is what I mean by a dark room when I say, you know, applying makeup. So I have one side of my window open. I don't think that it really matters that that's open, because on this side where I'm sitting at is dark enough. So I'm just going to do one half of my face and make, you know, do one half, start with the left side with the no lights, and then I'll turn the lights back on, I'll do the right side. So let's go ahead and get started. Where's my, okay, so anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to prime my face with Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is my favorite primer at the moment. I just applies, I mean, just makes your makeup look so flawless. So might put a little too much. This was just too much. I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna apply this. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my brows. My favorite dip brow, Anastasia. I'm just gonna do one. Okay, so now I'm back. All right, so just feel like it's a little bit too much lighting, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm kind of clean my eyebrows up here a little bit. So I just have like a little bit of lighting peeking through, not much, but this is about as much lighting as some people have in their homes when they are applying makeup. Just gonna kind of clean my eyebrows a little bit. See, I can't even really see much. See how much I'm really applying. It seems like I'm not applying enough makeup right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. I think I'll use the L'Oreal Infallible. I really love this foundation. So let's apply. I'm gonna use my sponge to apply this with. Don't worry like I put anything on. Squeeze another little bit out. So I never apply my makeup in the dark. Like over the weekend I went to visit my family, and my grandma has like an older house, and so her house doesn't have lighting above, like, you know, on the ceiling or whatever. And like with houses like that, they only have like one window, like a small window in a room, and so it doesn't really produce as much lighting or whatever. It can, but you know what I'm saying, just the location, like the location of the window on the house doesn't really give me much, depending on the weather, depending on how the weather is outside. So I was kind of forced to kind of do my makeup kind of like this right here, but I did have like some light, like a lamp in the room, and once I went outside I could see like a difference. So you know what I'm saying, a lot of times, like I said, I like to have lighting, and I do have lighting, but because I stayed in the room to apply makeup, I could see a difference. Now I'm just gonna put some concealer on. I think I don't know where the concealer that I was using is at, so I'm just going to use this ColourPop concealer. There's concealer that comes with that foundation, but I'm just going to use this ColourPop for right now. This is annoying. Like, for real. But this is what happens when you don't have lights. You think that you haven't put enough on. This is a lot harder than it looks or it seems. So I'm going to use this James Charles palette to apply some eyeshadow. I'm just going to keep it very simple because I don't know what I'm going to wear today. And I'm just going to do a little simple eye look. Color. Alright, so I'm not gonna do no eyelashes or anything like that. Just gonna, oh yeah, let me set my under eye with some powder. So I'm gonna use this Fenty loose setting powder. Alright, let me go under my under eyes. I meant to do this before I apply my eyeshadow. Alright, so I finished one half of my face. So we're gonna turn the light on and let's see how this actually turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the right side of my face so then we can compare the two. So yeah, definitely see a difference. This is definitely heavier on the left side. It's definitely more of a natural look on the right side. So let me finish applying the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. And so I'm back now. I just put some eyelashes on. I didn't do anything different. I mean, nothing, add anything else other than just eyelashes and some lip gloss. I kind of felt like maybe I should have put some lipstick on just to get an idea, because you know it's like a paint, so you know what I'm saying, but I didn't think about it like that. But anyway, I definitely see a difference. It's definitely heavier on the left side. I can really see it very well in my mirror in front of me, but I see this looks more natural and this looks like very cakey. I blended it out well right here, didn't blend out somewhere right here. But you know what I'm saying, that's because I couldn't see oh, my eyelash kind of coming up. Thought it would dry. Okay. Because I couldn't see, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't able to blend out as well. It definitely looks more natural over here though. I mean, on the right side, it's kind of funny. Just looking at it, it just looks so funny. But anyway, like, I wrote down my little tips because I didn't want to forget, because I kept forgetting one of them. But just you know, a few ways that you can, you know, work with lighting that you have. I know sometimes, you know, we don't always have the most money, because I know I'm not rich, I'm poor. And you know what I'm saying, you might not can't afford like a ring light, or you know what I'm saying, like a vanity with some fancy lights on it. So you know what I mean, just some ways that you can, you know, fix that is, you know, you can use just natural lighting, you know what I'm saying, just from a window. Natural lighting is pretty much like the best lighting to apply makeup with. One of the best ways, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna say it's the best, because it just kind of depends on what kind of light is actually coming through the window, you know what I'm saying. And another way of, you know, making sure that you kind of get really good lights from like natural lighting is to place a mirror in front of the windows. And when I say place a mirror in front of windows, I mean put a mirror directly across from the window. You know what I'm saying? And that helps like to bring light in, and it also helps make the room look bigger when you add a mirror to a wall directly across from the window. Now let's just say you don't have a wall across your window. Okay, so what you can do is just simply apply your makeup in the bathroom. Okay, I know some people don't apply makeup in the bathroom, some people apply in the room. I'll sit in my room and do it because I have lights in front of me that I can use to apply my makeup with. But you know, you could just go into the bathroom and apply your makeup, you know what I'm saying, because you can get some daylight bulbs. You can purchase some daylight bulbs. They're not expensive, you know what I'm saying, I mean, compared to purchasing you know, like a ring light, vanity, whatever. You can just simply get some lights, some daylight lights. They're like no more than $10 for about 4 lights, and place those in your bathroom, and those will be great. So just some things that you want to try to avoid when doing your makeup is putting a light above you. Do not apply makeup with a light above you. I know some people have like lamps, stand-up lamps, and the light goes up and it doesn't come down. You need to have the light to come in your face. So let's just say you don't have a bathroom to get to put your makeup on, or you don't have a mirror to go directly across the wall, on the wall, directly across from the window. You take a lamp, take a daylight light, and place it in front of you and apply your makeup that way. I mean, I don't know how well it's going to be, but it's going to be better than having light over top of you. You want to make sure the light is directly in front of you when applying your makeup. So another thing to avoid is yellow lighting. Yellow lighting is just not good to apply makeup, or fluorescent lights, because some people do have fluorescent lights in their home. Try to use the daylight bulbs. Those are a lot better because it's just like daylight. It's like going to give you more of a natural lighting versus like fluorescent lighting or yellow, you know, whatever. let's see. I think I covered everything as far as that goes. But if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll answer any other questions because I know I probably missed something. But make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave. Any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Also turn your notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.